Hi, hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day. I'm having a wonderful day. I'm just going to grab my coffee because I forgot it. Give me a second. Okay, I'm going to trip over some chords. Hi, how are you going? Okay, so a question came through yesterday, I think, about how to manifest when you have no time. Give me a sip of my coffee first. So I thought this was a very interesting question, a funny question actually, because it insinuates that it's like something you need to do, but it's not. Manifesting just is. It is happening whether you're trying to do it or not, whether you're consciously working on it or not. It happens, right? So a better question then would become how to consciously manifest when you don't have time, because being conscious about something does actually take effort in the beginning when you're not conscious, right? So what I would recommend then is, this is something my friend did, one of my best friends. She, on the way to work in the morning, because I'm gonna assume that you probably have a lot of commitments each day. Maybe you have kids, maybe you have a job, maybe you have some kind of organization that you, I don't know, go to each day, something. You have your time is filled, obviously. You wouldn't ask the question if it wasn't. But what my friend would do is, whenever she was driving to work, whenever she was on her way somewhere in the shower, she would start reciting affirmations to herself. But it wasn't just random ones. It was things specific to her and what she actually desired. So in saying that, what I would recommend is you just take a moment, it's a once off, even if you have 10 minutes, take a moment to actually define what it is you want. Is it a relationship? Is it more money? Is it winning a scholarship to something? Is it having a tidy home? What is it? Define what it is, write it on a list, right? And then keep that list with you wherever you go. Maybe it's small enough to shove in your wallet, or maybe you can tack it onto the fridge or onto your wall or onto your bathroom mirror, the bathroom mirror, or in your car. And then what you're going to do is you're going to keep that list on you and you're going to memorize it and you're going to know that's what you want, right? So you're starting to be conscious about what you want rather than just kind of manifesting on autopilot. You're conscious of what you want. It's in your predominant thoughts. It's in your mind. And because it's there all the time, you can see it in a place that you frequent a lot, like your car or your bathroom mirror. Then on your way to work, or while you're showering or getting ready for your day, you're going to go over this list and you're going to start either doing affirmations, like mantras, it's easy to make money. I get to make a lot of money today. I am creating an abundant reality with my thoughts today. Just reciting different things like that. Or I am in a loving, committed relationship. It is the relationship of my dreams. I'm so overjoyed and so happy. We complement each other so much. And you say them over and over to yourself while you're in your car, on the way to work, while you're in the shower, whatever that you're doing. And you just recite them to yourself, right? And as you're reciting them, what you'll start to do, it takes practice, but you'll start to feel it. You'll start to actually feel what those mantras feel like in your heart. So when you're saying, I'm in a loving, committed relationship, it is the relationship of my dreams. He treats me so well. He or she treats me so well. You start to feel it in your heart. And what that does is it activates your vibration. So you're consciously in that moment a match to what you desire, right? But all you're doing is sitting in your car driving to work. So that is my very short, very quick task for you. If you don't have much time, if you're busy, if you've got kids, if you've got work, if you've got all the commitments in the world, there's still time for you to consciously focus on manifesting. In the moments when you're by yourself, in the moments when you're in the bathroom, taking a shower, in your car, getting dressed, there are little micro moments that you can take to recite 5 mantras, maybe 5, and feel it in your heart. That's it. That's all you actually need to start making changes, especially if you haven't been conscious to how to do it. That's all you actually need. It's emitting the vibration from your heart that makes you become a match to it. So I hope you enjoyed that today. I am actually on my way to another city today. I'm testing out moving there to Auckland. We'll see how that goes. If you want to come join me, come watch my Instagram stories, come chat to me on there. I'm always active on there. And other than that, I will see you again soon.